Okay, you guys, I'm making this video on this thing I seen about the baking soda in your morning pee to determine if you're having a boy or a girl. So, as far as I know, it's a wise tale that it's not actually true. But I just wanted to try it just to see what we will say. Okay, so if it bubbles or fizz, that means that you're having a boy. And if it does a little bit of nothing, then you're having a girl. So here's the baking soda here and the urine here. And the baking soda here. Okay? So what I'm gonna do, keep it steady, try to keep the laptop steady where you can see. So here's my urine, and I'm about to pour it in the baking soda. So that looked like fizzing to me, right? Do y'all see that? Hold for a second. So this would be boy results. But the only problem with that I have is I'm not even pregnant. So if I'm not pregnant, this can't be true. Thank y'all for watching my video, and I shall come back with you with another one. Have a great one.